The final 10 of the night. Coming from Louis and Lisa. The first, I would like to read to you the profile of Lisa. The latest she has is in 2017 the champion in Olympic Tango and Junior Cup. Champion in Tango de Pista Manila Dance Classic in 2017 and champion in Tango Pista Tango Fest in 2023. And of course we also have Louis Canelo Serretas. The champion in Tango de Pista Tango Paradise 2019 in Indonesia. This is an international competition, ladies and gentlemen. And another champion in Tango de Pista Vals Malonga Don Quixote Cup in Cebu Tango Festival, that is 2024. And the latest record he has is another international competition held in Manila, yes? The first Philippine Tango Championship 2024. Tango de Pista, third place. Vals category, second place. Milonga category, second place. And Jack and Jill category, second place. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is an international competition. And now, let us all welcome on the dance floor, Liza Analeta and Louis Canelo Serretas.